this month's choices were terrible. I felt the same. Hello beautiful angel, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review the subscription boxes. So I have got three of them. So this is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this is Ipsy Glam Bag, and we have got the Boxycharm. So Boxycharm retails for $25 and you would get a value of $125 plus, and you would be getting around 5 full-size items. And this is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which also retails for $25, and even this you would get like 5 full-size items. And this is Glam Bag, and this is around $12, and you would be getting around 5 mini or sample or deluxe sample items in this beauty. Without further ado, let's get to today's video. So I'm going to unbox this beauty. So here is the card that I got this month. So it says fresh start. Why not? This is New Year. Alright, so the first beauty that I see is this one. So this is the beauty. So this is Wallet Plus Olive You Forever. Wow, I love you too. I'm going to try this for you guys. Start doing my makeup right now. Wallet Plus Olive You Forever. This retails for $34, and this palette was designed universally with flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. Hello modeling agencies, myself flattering olive. My selfie just got 34 likes. I'm ready to go pro. A flat brush and going in with this one right here. That's the Black Infinity. I'm going to take this beauty. So this is Charmed, and then pack that just above that color. Then I'm checking this beauty. So this is Endless Desire. Just applying it over that color. Taking this beauty again, that is Charmed, to my outer corner. Time to cut the crease. I'm taking this in beauty, so that is the Lovebird. So I'm going to put on my lashes and complete the rest of my face, and I'll be back. Next up we have this beauty. So this is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple Glow Lip Mask. Let's see, this one alone retails for $25, and we have a review from Michaela. It's very oily and greasy, but definitely hydrates. You can't sit with us, oily face. You know, this is the face we make when we are not sure if someone's hair is just wet or is just greasier. All right, the next beauty that I have is this one. So this is the Pharmacy Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer, and this one retails for $38. It smells delish. Yum. We have a review from Miranda. A little sticky for my taste, but still nice. Why would you taste it? Just because it has papaya in it? I don't know. Alright, the next beauty that I have is this duo, and this is the Queen Studio. It's a dragon duo and retails for $28, and this is the one. So let's see. So here is the liner, liquid liner, and this one is liner pencil, and this one retails for $28. Event Skincare by Face Hyaluronic Acid, and it's a micellar water, and this one retails for $90. This is the one I actually chose from Boxycharm because I didn't know what else to pick. So we have a review from Casey. Okay, I picked this because I didn't know what else to pick. Lol. We just said that a minute ago. Wow. Not sure why it's so pricey, but I'll be testing her out. Wow, dang, this is some expensive water. Let's see, this smell. It smells good. More of a like a skincare, like luxury kind of skincare is what it smells like. Well, that's all the items that we got. Now let's switch to our Ipsy Glam bag. The good thing is that in the Ipsy we would be getting this bags every month, which is amazing. This is the brush that I got. So this is like flat kind of brush. First up, here we have this beauty. So this is cleansing gel, and this is the sample size that we got, and we have a juicy review for this one. Left my skin feeling soft, but there was no smell at all. I'll use it up probably, but wouldn't buy it myself. It's like, I love you, but I'm not gonna buy you. All right, let's see the next, this one. So this one is the Hydrate Plus review night cream, and full size retails for $24. This one is the Foxy Bay 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. I think I chose this one. Full size retails for $19.95. Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara in black. Wow, this packaging looks the bomb. Okay, so this is the wand we are looking at. Wow, this smells like perfume. I have a review and it says, it made my eyelashes look good, but it smelled disgusting. I wouldn't say it's disgusting, but it's kind of strong, very strong in fact for the eyelashes. I couldn't stand the smell even when the bottle was closed. Okay, and there was just a little on my lashes. I nearly puked and couldn't even wear it a full minute before scrubbing it off. Wow. And that plus, here we go. So this one retails for $25, and we would get this bag for this month, that is January, and it's a drawstring bag. First beauty that I see right off the bag is this beauty. So this is the one that I actually chose. This is the Farsali Unicorn Essence. See that? Wow, that's such a pretty color, and it smells good. This one retails for the, let's say, $54, and we have a review. It's a good serum. Pretty sure it's overhyped on social media though. This is Ofra Cosmetics Boss Eyes in Penthouse, and this one retails for $15. So this is how it looks. So this is the shade that we are looking at. Okay, that's a pretty decent color. Okay, let's see at the review. This was a dark copper color, not a fan. How dare you to put a dark copper color? You said it's a penthouse. It's supposed to be in the color of penthouse, whatever the penthouse supposed to be looking like. That's Gold Fed and MD. It's the Mist RX Daily Nutrient Facial Mist for the Probilan Gel and Dehydrated Skin Solution. And this one retails for $48. These are the brushes. So this one is Firma Beauty and flat oval blending brush and a round blending blush duo, and retails for $27. Okay, we have a review. I chose this because I needed some new brushes and this month's choices were terrible. I felt the same. This is the Wonder Beauty and this one retails for $21. And this is a what? It's a micro brow pencil. All right, let's look at the review. My eyebrows need some love that I can't give them. This would be a great product if my brows were in shape. You got to love your brows. Love them like you mean it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. So these are all the products that I got this month. Like my Boxycharm for the month of January 2021 when compared to my Ipsy. That's pretty much it guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.